to Quinn's Family Toys and Cards. Today we are going to make slime, and today we have a special guest. Can you guess? It is Mommy! So, here's our bowl, and I'm going to have a giveaway. Whoever presses the subscribe button first, it goes up to Sunday, so you better do it. Here are the slimes here are the glues. So, yeah. Okay, so now let's get started. So, Mommy, what should we do first?
Well, first, we're going to mix 1 teaspoon of borax with a little bit of water, about a cup. So we're going to pour it in here.
She's pouring it in, you see that?
And then I'm going to start to mix it together with a spoon.
Can I mix it?
Yes,
Okay,
Quinn will mix it here. Let's.
It's those. If it's big pieces, you want to mash it up. Is this warm water?
Oh, should there have been more?
I don't know. Well, I think people put warm water. It's pretty warm. Okay, this is actually cold water, but you could put warm.
Okay, hold on. Let me try to fix it.
No, it's okay.
I know.
Okay.
You can start by putting the glue in there.
Okay, so I'm going to put the glue in.
You want to put the equivalent of a whole bottle of glue.
Yeah, you should put the whole bottle of glue. Okay, my mom opened it. We have to wait. Okay, it's coming. You guys can see it. Okay. Yeah, is that you guys? My fans were out there. Probably close. Pretty sure I said that. Probably going to be a light pink. Oh, we are also putting glitter in here. My mom's mixing up, that's why you hear that sound. Okay, that's enough pink. Let's just let that fall down. This is actually, I thought this wasn't going to be easier because we actually was using this. Okay, that's good. Okay, my mom took it. Now let me do this one. Clear. Can you help, please? Okay, my mom needs, I can't open them. I'm not that sure. Okay.
A little more of that, maybe just a little more.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, now we're going to put a little shaving cream in and start mixing it in.
Well, here's the shaving cream. Where's she get? I can't. Ooh, getting big.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
The other thing we're going to do is put 2 to 3 drops of contact lens solution.
So we have to put 3 or 2 drops.
Yeah. Here.
How do we?
I got to open it.
Oh, she has to open it.
Okay, very little drops. Okay.
1,
2, 3. Okay. Okay.
Here's a slime.
Okay, now we're going to start mixing the borax solution in a little bit at a time. Yeah.
Okay.
Do 2 more.
1.
Okay, now start mixing.
Okay, now we're going to mix it.
Oh, wait, glitter.
Oh, first we need the glitter. Okay, a little bit of gold. A little bit of blue. A little bit of rainbow. Silver. Oh, and also, guys, whoever wins actually gets a play date with me. Also. Forgot to tell you again.
Now start mixing.
Now we can mix.
Just keep mixing it. It'll eventually come together.
Yeah. You guys made slime before. If you haven't, you can follow our tips. And you can also do different colors. My mom's holding. Mom, it's not good. It's not. Yeah, okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. My mom is doing it. She can't see. See how it's getting all puffy pink? You don't want too much shaving cream like how we did. Yeah, we can.
Here, let me try. Yeah, we might have put in a little. I think we need more glue.
Okay, guys, we have to. Can I do it?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Guys, can you hold them? Okay. We're doing. Got a little dark. There. Okay. Let it fall down. It's gonna take a long.
Yeah, that's not gonna come back out. You keep mixing while I do that.
Okay.
Oh, can you lift up your sleeves, please?
Yeah, we maybe put a little too much shaving.
Yeah, I didn't think we did, but.
Oh. Can you hold this?
Yep. I think we need more of this too.
Yeah. Putting more.
Here, wait. I'm gonna take some of the shaving cream out from the sides. Okay, that's enough pink, I think. Hold on.
Nick,
Hold on. Can I see, please? All right, there we go.
you want to hold them so they can see?
Give me a second.
You can, guys, see, my mom might make a video. So, do you want to make a video one day for them?
Sure.
So you guys she could tell you what the name would be. She could tell you what the name would be. And then you guys could go to her channel and see her videos. So what channel do you want if you make a video on?
I'd have to think about it, guys.
Okay, so when we make another video and she decides, you could go see it. And we'll also tell you when the video is there.
Here.
Here's all the slime, actually.
Yeah, let me see what it
There's
needs.
some on
No more of that. I don't
there's
think.
some on the sides.
I think it needs more of this. Give me a second, please.
Okay. Hey, guys, I'm gonna go wash my hands because I have a little glue. So bye.
And you guys can watch me.
Yeah.
Trying to get up all the excess. Wait, I think it's time to use your hands on this, actually.
Wait, can you wait?
Yeah, of course.
So you actually guys kind of have to use your hands. So I'm gonna roll up my sleeves. I'm gonna dig my hands into the slime. Oh,
It's like slime now, right?
yeah. But it's actually a little way too light because of the shaving cream. But it's nice.
because we use clear glue.
Oh, that was my dad. He's going up. You see, I actually put makeup on. You could see that before the film. Yeah, it's getting like a crunchy. Okay, and ready? Can like mold it into shapes. It's not that stretchy. Ooh. But it's kind of actually forming. It's like a cotton. This is actually not that slimy. I think I need more of this.
Oh, if it's sticky, you can put more of this.
Yeah. And it's not stretchy. It's not stretchy.
Okay, so let's do a tiny bit more of this. Put it down.
Okay.
Okay,
Maybe you
mix it.
could put some in here. There. Okay. That's kind of better. Cotton candy. And we guys actually didn't tell you where was it. Hold on guys, I might be behind. Yep. We are actually gonna put this, I'm not gonna show you, I just showed you, inside the slime. So whoever gets it, then it's gonna be a toy. I kind of showed you. So I think this is slime. I'm gonna take actually the toy out so you guys don't see it because I'm gonna swatch. I'm gonna hide it behind my back. Okay, you guys didn't see. Oopsie. So it's not Mom, it's actually not that swatchy. The tears. So not good slime. Not the best. Some actually fell. Mom popped them.
Hi, I'm Quinny's mommy.
Tell her your name.
My name is Shauna, and it's good.
Oh, and her middle name's Rachel.
No, my first name is Rachel. My middle name is Shauna, but I go by Shauna.
This is like fluffy cloud slime. Okay, guys. So that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!